Hello friends, how are you? This is Virgo Ascendant chart, Kanya Lagan, Kanya Rashi. And so far as the Kanya Rashi natives are concerned, the Virgo Ascendant natives are concerned, they are found usually to be intelligent, interested in mathematics, interested in banking, interested in accounting, accountancy, and interested in stock markets and all that. And they also become good businessmen. But so far as the health is concerned, it has been found by that health of most of the Virgo ascendant natives belong to Kanya Lagan, and that is disturbed. They are having multiple health issues. It is has been observed at large. So far as this chart is concerned, this is the chart of a native ascendant of a Virgo ascendant native, and who had been facing problems since 2010. And before that the health was stable, but 2010 proved to be a new turn for the native so far as his health is concerned. Now in this case, the main problem is from Mars. Sun is also creating problem, Ketu is there, Rahu is there, and Saturn is there. These planets do afflict planets and houses in this chart, and there is a malefic influence from Mars that created the problem. So far as the most malefic influence is concerned, that is from Mars. And in order to analyze the chart, the scientifically we need to gauge the strength of each planet, whether the benefic, whether the malefic, and the placement of planets, whether the benefic, whether the malefic, and to what extent their influence is. So far as the scientific Jyotish is concerned, we consider that if Mars afflicts Jupiter, for example, if Mars, Jupiter, Venus in this case, as is the case, as is evident, which had created problems in the for the native since 2010, and health got disturbed since 2010. So the native faced extreme problems. So this is the case when the native faced problems. The influence of Mars is on the Venus, but to what extent? So far as the scientific analysis is concerned, 25% influence of Mars. Mars is the most malefic planet for the Virgo ascendant, and so far as this chart is concerned, only 25% influence of Venus is on the sorry 25% influence of Mars is on the Venus, and the Venus itself is strong, degree wise it's strong, and its weakness is that it's placed in an evil house, it's placed in the 12th house. That's it's one of its weakness. But so far as the influence of Venus is concerned, influence of the Mars upon Venus is concerned, it's only 25%. It means that 75% Venus is safeguarded. But unfortunately, the strengthening measures of uh, Venus, Jupiter, Mercury, Moon, they were not undertaken. Moon is getting affliction from Ketu in this case, so it also was a challenge for the native. And Sun is placed in the 11th house, and the 11th house is the house of Moon. That's Cancer sign. That's Cancer sign in this ascendant. So placement of Moon, placement of Sun in this sign is also a problem in medical astrology. So all these factors when taken into consideration, the native was recommended to strengthen the ascendant lord first, because ascendant lord is becoming getting into problem due to the placement of Sun, due to the conjunction of Sun. So it's not the narrow conjunction, although it's a wide conjunction, but the placement of Sun in Cancer sign is medically a challenging placement. And the issues that the native had faced was due to the placement of Sun as well in the 11th house. So for this reason, strengthening measures of Mercury were recommended. But so far as the liver pain is concerned, liver pain, the native had started facing the liver pain since 2010, and it was a critical situation for the native, a turning point for the native. And for that he was advised to strengthen ascendant lord and other two planets also, and charities for the malefics. So since then the native's health is quite strong, and she's enjoying her health, and her health has come on the stable track of stability. She's enjoying you know uh, a stable health uh, now, and most of the problems she had been facing so far as health is concerned, she has you know managed such health issues. And liver pain is liver pain and liver heat up issue. These were the two issues, that liver was getting heat up, liver abdomen, lower abdomen, liver, pancreas, and lower stomach, that was all disturbed. And the liver heat had initiated since 2010. So although she had consulted many doctors for this liver pain, and uh, for this liver pain and for the liver heating up, doctors had suggested, had predicted that she might go, she might face diabetes also. But the case is evident, there is no possibility of diabetes at all. So if it would have been the case of diabetes, she would have faced it on the same day, 2010, when she faced the problem. But there are strengths also well, although the Venus and Jupiter are badly placed, Moon is badly placed, and Mercury is also not in a good position so far as its conjunction with the Sun is concerned. But the point is that Venus and Jupiter are badly placed, but they are placed in the sign of Leo, gaining additional strength. That is a positive point. And degree wise, Venus and Jupiter are strong. So these factors are responsible. And Mercury, the ascendant lord, is also strong by degrees, isn't it? Its placement, it's not in the 6th or 8th or 12th houses. It's nicely placed in the sign of Cancer. And the only challenge of the horoscope was that the strengthening measures of the weak planets who had become weak due to the planetary afflictions, that was not undertaken. And the charities for the malefics was not also taken care of. So after doing the remedies, strengthening the main planets and doing charities for the malefics, the native is now having and enjoying a stable health. And this is all about this Virgo ascendant chart. Thank you.